Yeah, hi, this side Vivek, and today we are going to cover the Excel automation with the help of Python, Python, Python. So this is the very fancy word Excel, right? Excel automation, and I have seen a lot of confusion uh, with this. So what is the need of Excel automation? So suppose that sometimes although we have the Power BI and other BI tools, still why Excel automations is required? In the organizations, I have seen a lot of stakeholder ask, we need Excel in mail, we need some snapshot of the report on the mail body. So, without the human intervention, how we can Excel automate with the help of the Python? So, this start, this start from DBMS, right? DBMS may be the SQL server, Hadoop, Hadoop, or Impala. So basically, we connect, we connect, we connect Excel with these tools, tools, and do some maybe processing, maybe calculation, calculation regarding KPIs, KPIs. Okay, regarding KPIs, regarding KPI. So before starting how to automate the Excel, so I would like to discuss about the topics we are going to cover so that it will require in the automations. If I will start automation here, you will not understand anything, right? So first of all, I will show you the roadmap, what we are going to cover in this course, right? So this is OpenPyXL. This is the Python library. We will take help of it and we'll do the automation Excel, right? So this is the complete guide to automate the Excel spreadsheet using Python, covering every feature from the cells formatting to chart, dashboard, and beyond it. So basically, earlier, what I was doing, I was using Excel Wings, right? But the disadvantage with the Excel Wing library is that you cannot deploy that code to the server Linux, right? So where actually Excel is not installed, so Excel Wings will not support. When there is a benefit with the OpenPyXL that you can use OpenPyXL without Excel installed on system, right? So on server, if we have written the code in the OpenPyXL, we can deploy that code to the server. This is the end to end, right? So it will fetch the data from the server. It will do some calculations, whatever the calculations we require, and it will take on the processed data to the access in the formatting, right? So this is the advantage with the OpenPyXL, right? So first of all, we will cover installation and setup, workbooks, worksheets, how to create, rename, color, copy, delete sheets, and the third part, reading, writing cells, style, font, fills, border, numbers, format, dates, right? And then formula, how to put the formula in Excel, row, columns, operations, merging the cells, conditional formatting, chart, line chart, pie chart, scatter chart, we will cover, and how to play with the images and the Excel, we will do that. Data validations, we will do table names and multiple sheets, reading Excel files, existing files, filter, freeze, print, password protections, and capstone project. So once all the above topics from 1 to 17 is covered, then I will start the capstone projects. So in this end to end, I will show you from fetching the data from the SQL server and then processing the data, then how to attach in the mail and automatically send to the end users. So I will show the entire journey. So this video may be the long, but you have to keep the patience. But I will make sure. This is the very demanding, right? Even in my initial phase of the career, I have automated at least 150 reports. So automatically, the my work was that to just observe if anything is getting failure, I need to get correct. Otherwise, the everything without any human intervention, server was sending these reports to the end users. So this is the benefit of the entire Excel automations. Okay, thank you.